Hi folks, Brendan here from Advanced Radio, and I'm just going to take you through a quick video on how to change the output voltage on your IBEC V2. The setup is simple. We've got the IBEC V2 here, and we need a 1.5mm driver. There's 3 screws on the back, and if we undo them, saving the screws over here on the side. If we lift off the back case, you'll see there's a tiny little dip switch here on the side. Now this is a specialized vibration dip switch, but you'll notice that we've got the option of 6.0 and 7.4 volts. So all you need to do is flick that switch and you're good to go. Once you've done that, you pop it back in the case, reinstall your 3 screws. And 3. The setup is that simple. As I said, all you need is the IBEC and a 1.5mm driver. Thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for more quick videos.